Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respected professor and examiner. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity given to present my research proposal. My name is Ahmad Najib, standard number 17111824035. In this presentation, I will present my research proposal entitled The Effects of Local on Source Revenue and Capital Expenditure on Local Government Financial Performance with Financial Statement Quality as a Moderating Variable. The study focus on Regency and city government in Lampung Provinsi during period of 2018 to 2024. Background The background of this study begin with the importance of financial management in local government. Local government financial management play an important role in realizing public accountability and improving regional financial performance. In Lampung Province, the contribution of local owned source revenue is still relatively low compared of several other provinces. In addition, capital expenditure has not been fully optimized to support development and public service. Lampung Province also has an interesting fiscal condition. It's not classified as a province with very high fiscal capacity, but it is also not entirely classified as a low capacity region. However, several problems still exist. These include disparities in local on-source revenue among regencies and GTs, the dominance of functional expenditure, and financial statement quality that does not always reflect the effectiveness of financial management. Problem formation. Based on the background, this study formulates five research questions. First, does local on-source revenue affect the financial performance of Regency and city government in Lampung Province? Second, does capital expenditure affect the financial performance of Regency and city government in Lampung Province? Third, does financial statement quality affect the financial performance of Regency and city government in Lampung Province? Fourth, does financial statement quality moderate the effect of local on-source revenue on local government financial performance? Five, does financial statement quality moderate the effect of capital expenditures on local government financial performance? This question become the basis for developing the objectivities and hypotheses of this study. Research objective. The objectives of this study are agreed with the research question. The first objective is to analyze the effect of local onshore revenue on the financial performance of Regency and city government in Lampung Province. The second objective is to analyze the effect of capital expenditure on the financial performance of Regency and city government in Lampung Province. The third objective is to analyze the effect of financial statement quality on local government financial performance. The fourth objective is to analyze the role of financial statement quality in moderating the effect of local onshore revenue on local government financial performance. The fifth statement quality in the local government provides. Literature review in study are the first variable of each local owned software revenue. Local owned software revenue reflect the ability of local government to generate income from their own regional economic potential. The second variable is capital expenditure, Russian government spending used to acquire or improve public assets, infrastructure, and facilities that support public service. The third variable is local government financial performance. Financial performance reflects the ability of local governments. Conceptual framework. The conceptual framework of this study consists of the independent variable, a dependent variable, and a moderating variable. The independent variable are local onshore revenue, the capital and capital expenditure. The dependent variable is local government financial performance. Meanwhile, the moderating variable is financial statement quality. This study assumes that local onshore revenue and capital expenditure can influence local government financial performance. In addition, financial statement quality is effective to strengthen or weaken the effect of local source revenue and capital expenditure on financial performance. Research hypothesis. Based on the theoretical foundation and conceptual framework, this study provides five hypotheses. The first hypothesis is that local onshore revenue has a positive effect on local government financial performance. Research method. This study which quantitative approach? The quantitative approach is used because it study aim to examine the relationship between variable using numerical data and statistical analysis. The research design is tends to test the effect of local source revenue and capital expenditure on local government financial data type and data source. The type data and source secondary data. The data are obtained from local government financial report, audit result, report issued by the Audit Board of Indonesia and other official document relevant to the research variable. Unit of analysis population and sample. The unit analysis in this study is Regency, the city government in Lampung Province. The population consists of all Regency and city government in Lampung Province during period of 2018 to 2024. Thank you very much.